Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to multi-log out on your Instagram. So if you have more than one account logged in on your Instagram, it would look like this. See, I have two, and so we're going to show you how. So we're going to click the Instagram app, and we're going to click down. As you can see, I have two accounts in. So now we're going to click the three little lines up in the corner. And then we're going to click Settings and Privacy. Then we're going to scroll all the way down and click Log Out. Then we're going to log out again, log out of all accounts. And now you can they will just be there when you click the Instagram app. See, and now you just log back in. And they're already there. You don't have to put in the password. That's it. But if you don't want them on your account, you just click the three little lines, press Settings, scroll down, click Log Out of all accounts, and then you click the little Settings app up here, and then you click which one you don't want on, and then Remove from Profile, remove, then go back, and then it just logs you into the one account, and now the other one's not on there. And sometimes people somehow still log into both accounts, so you click here, the three little lines, press Settings, scroll up here, click, because sometimes Instagram will save it and you didn't even know. So it's a saved login. Sorry. And then you click Phone Pro How-Tos and see it's saved. So you have to click this off and it will remove the login. That's it. If this video helps you in any way, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.